So this euro dollar analysis for Thursday, 17th of May. Now, let's just have a look what having prices and where prices may likely go. So we have seen price come down towards this 1830, brief bullish bounce to test 1862, from which we had a retest of the 1830, brief bullish bounce before seeing a breakdown down towards the 1771. From 1771, we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taking us up towards this 1830. And we do appear to be having a rejection again from this, we do an area which previously acted supporting around 1830 does appear to be acting resistance. Potentially looking for prices retest the 1771. If we do successfully break 1771 here to the downside, we'll be looking for a move from the 1771 down towards the 1728. And if we're not able to find support at the 1728, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 1709. Again, I would expect that to be the possibility of the far end of the range here to the downside and move down towards that 1709. But if we do see sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 1709, the very next important level will be around that 1612 level. Now, we've mentioned levels to the downside that we are looking at, but if we do turn around, there is a possibility of seeing a move to the upside. So if we do see a break and hold of 1830, we're looking for a retest of that area we previously found resistance in around that 1862, successful break from which we'll look to see how price direct was at 119 level, the round number, along with the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. But if we do progress beyond there, we're looking for a move up towards that 1910 here on the euro dollar. Beyond 1910, I don't anticipate 1961 coming to focus. So we'll have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping up. And over on the daily chart, we can get scale on here correct. We can see here on this daily chart what we have had is we've had a pretty consistent sell-off, brief pullback, from which we posted a pin bar, and we've seen a momentum follow through going on to make new lows here on the euro dollar. So we've seen a bit of a buy side momentum come into the market from that 1771. So far today we've seen a rejection of that 1830, so there is a possibility of prices retesting that 1831 and continue its progression here to the downside. In around that 1728, we did form a bit of a base around that 1728, as we can see over here to your left. So that remains a possibility going forward. With that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.